In this video, I will show you how to make a classic Chinese dish, sweet and sour pork with pineapple. This dish combines tender pork with fresh pineapple. It has a crispy and juicy texture and a unique sweet and sour taste. It's really irresistible. So let's get started. First, let's start by cutting the pineapple into chunks. I chose fresh pineapple rather than canned pineapple because the flavor is much more vibrant and sweet. Then we need to soak the pineapple in water with a tablespoon of salt for 10 minutes. In this way, we can eliminate the tingling sensation that pineapple usually tastes. Next, we chop a green bell pepper and a red bell pepper. They aren't spicy, they just simply bring in beautiful color and crunchy texture. Now we need to slice the pork. Remember to cut along the grain of the meat. Trust me, it's much easier to do so. After we cut the meat, we need to pound it into thinner slices to make it easier to marinate. To marinate the meat, we add a tablespoon of salt, some white peppers, 2 tablespoons of cooking wine, an egg white, and 300 grams of cornstarch. Mix everything well and let it rest for 10 minutes. Finally, we prepare a sweet and sour sauce. Add 40 grams of ketchup, about 1.5 tablespoons of lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, and some water. Mix everything well so that the consistency looks like this. Now we start frying the pork. In the first round, we fry it until it turns into a white and slightly golden color. This shows that the meat is well done. Then we fry a second round until the meat becomes golden brown and crispy. Next, we fry the peppers in hot oil and a tablespoon of salt until they are releasing the moisture and soft. Take out the peppers first and add the sauce. When it's bubbling, add in the fried pork. Fry it until the pork is coated with a delicious sweet and sour taste. Add the peppers back in and fry them briefly. Finally, add in the pineapple and keep frying to mix the flavor all together. This dish is just so visually appealing. The combination of so many bright colors makes it a delightful culinary creation. The taste is also irresistible. Savory, sweet, and sour are in a perfect harmony. You will definitely enjoy your every bite. If you like this video, let me know in the comment section. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. See you next Thursday!